Welcome to the Horseshoe Tunica in Robinsonville, Mississippi. This is a premium double queen Riverview room. We'll go ahead and take a tour. This is room 1205. When you first come into this room, you will see the bathroom to your right. They have complimentary Aurora brand shampoo, conditioner, and body wash on the wall. The tub is not a jet tub, but it is a very large size tub. Over to the sink area, you have some cups, washcloths, facial soap, of course your sink. This hotel does have a TV up on the sink area as well. And you can see above the TV there is a hairdryer, and then the entrance into the toilet area. We'll give another view of the vanity area. It's a very nice sized bathroom. Another view of the sink area. Very nice and spacious. Coming out of the bathroom into the main area, you can see that the room is flooring. There is no carpet in this room. After you walk past the bathroom, there is a closet. The closet features an in-wall safe, hangers, an ironing board, and luggage holder. As I mentioned, this is a 2-queen bedroom. There are 2 queen beds. The wall coming off of the bathroom is mirrored, a full mirror, so it does make the room look much larger. Coming into the room also, there is a bench that you can sit or place your belongings on. Coming over to the TV area, you have your television. It's a flat screen television. I would say probably about 36 inches. Could be 36 to 43 inches, somewhere in that range. They have a small alarm clock here beside the TV. It does have a USB port. On this side, coming down to the storage areas here underneath the TV, there are 2 drawers here at the top. Then there's doors that open to storage spaces here at the bottom, leading to 3 larger drawers. The other side opens up to your refrigerator area, and there's a mini refrigerator here at the bottom. They have complimentary water here and additional cups in addition to your ice bucket. They also have Fiji water here in the back that is available for $6 a bottle that can be charged to your room. After you go past the television area, there is a desk area with a lamp and a trash can. There is some signage here, no smoking. Smoking will result in a $250 charge. And then there's some signage about, it says, due to the popularity of our guest room amenities, we now offer these items for sale. And it lists the items here. But something tells me that if you steal these items from the room, that's what you're going to be charged. It's just a guess. There's a large sofa, coffee table, and sitting chair. There's also another table there in the corner. The table in between the beds. Have our remote, the telephone for the room, the lamp for the table, which does have an electric outlet on it. And then there is a nice little device here to quick charge your cell phone. It also has additional electrical outlets, 2 additional USB ports, and also it looks like the C-type adapter. So a lot of additional outlets here, which is very nice. Also, there's a drawer there for storage. So for room 1205, so here's some of the view from the room. There is a nice Riverview with sunset this evening. But the main view is just overlooking the parking lot. As you can see, parking lot, thus overlooking the semi-trucks in the parking lot area and some trees, so not too bad.